I just received this 42-inch round fire pit. I'm so excited. I love making a nice fire, but this pit is something very special. So we just opened it up. I'm looking at the hardware. It is super heavy duty. Look at this steel heavy duty grill. So I say grill because this is so cool. Guys, I will have not only a fire pit, but actually two levels of grilling. So I've got different types of grilling that I can do with this amazing fire pit. And the cool thing about this is that it will, and let me open it up just so you guys can see all of this. Look at that. This is super high quality. I'll get those nice grill marks on my steaks. You can make a fire, and that's what they claim. You can make a fire that will continuously burn between 5 and 6 hours. That's plenty of time to do some smoking, to do some barbecuing, but also to enjoy with friends. And this is also kind of the second part of why I wanted to get a fire pit. This has a radius of heat that's 6 to 10 feet. So we're talking 8, 10 people surrounding it at a good distance and being comfortable, especially on those cooler nights in fall or in the spring. We have that 42-inch basin filled with either coals or, my preference, wood fire. So it's going to look incredible. It even has that little poker tool. Oh yeah, I just saw that little poker tool so I can play with the fire like I always want to do. This is going to be incredibly fun. And yeah, whether it's summer or winter, this is a thing that's going to stay outdoors and should stay outdoors all year round. It's fantastic.